Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Echoes of Home. My name is Ife, and I'm thrilled to have you here. This space is all about sharing the beauty of the Igbo culture through music, stories, and proverbs, celebrating the traditions that make us who we are. Our song for today is Blackbird. Blackbird, which means Nnonoji, is originally an Igbo folklore reimagined to explore the themes of survival, migration, and the struggle to hold on to one's identity. The blackbird, which symbolizes the immigrant who chooses to stay in a foreign land despite being urged to return home. Let's break down the lyrics. One no nta to zamzam. Little blackbird to zamzam. Ineba fue megini, what are you doing there? Anamatolun nemosi, I am fetching pepper for my mother. Anamatolun namosi, I am fetching pepper for my father. Itwosi, which means to fetch pepper, is a metaphor for the blackbird's hustle to feed its family. Now let's listen to the song Blackbird.
To zamzam, one no G, to zamzam, eba for a mekini, to zamzam, anawa to lunemose, to zamzam, anawa to lunemose, to zamzam, one no ta, to zamzam, blackbird, high up in the sky. I see you fighting so hard to survive. I see you fighting so hard to live alive. You say you want love, you say you're hurting, you say you're tired of the tears you were shedding. Say you're tired of the things you were facing. Blackbird, come home. One no ta, to zamzam. One no G, to zamzam. Never for a mekini, to zamzam. Hanawa to say to zamzam, hanawa to lunamose, to zamzam. I hear you whistle in the middle of the night. You wouldn't listen to the wisdom of the wise. Oh, little creature, can't you open up your eyes? Where you gonna run to? Please come home, blackbird. Please come home. Where are you gonna run to? Please come home. I don't wanna come home. I've got all that I need. I don't care how you feel. I don't wanna come home. I've got zam zam. Never for a beginning to zam zam zam. I never to learn never say to zam zam zam. I never to learn never say to zam 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 zam.
We are all wanderers searching for a better life like the blackbird. But in our pursuit for greener pastures, let us not forget the warmth of home. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode.
Blackbird, high up in the sky.